Leg strength plays a vital role in the quality of everyday life. It affects mobility, balance, athletic performance, and even the ability to maintain independence as we age. While physical training and regular exercise are essential in developing strong legs, nutrition forms the silent but powerful foundation upon which real strength is built. It's not just about the calories you consume, but the quality of those calories that truly matters. Often overlooked in the broader conversation about muscle development and leg power is the role that specific vitamins play in ensuring your legs remain not only strong, but also resilient and capable of long-term performance. Without the right vitamins in the right amounts, your body can't function optimally. Your training, regardless of intensity or duration, will suffer. It may not yield the full results it should. The human body is like a machine, and vitamins are the oil that keeps everything running smoothly, ensuring peak performance, especially when it comes to the muscles, bones, nerves, and blood flow involved in leg strength and overall health. Many people think of protein, creatine, and perhaps even minerals like calcium when considering nutrients for muscle function. However, there are several essential vitamins that play just as critical a role, quietly working behind the scenes to support muscular contraction, repair tissue, build endurance, maintain nerve health, regulate inflammation, and strengthen bones. Each vitamin serves a unique function, and it's the synergy between them that really makes them effective in promoting leg strength. Understanding how these vitamins work together within the body gives us a deeper appreciation of the complex nutritional needs required for optimal leg performance. When these vitamins are deficient, no amount of squats, lunges, or leg presses will fully compensate for the underlying nutritional imbalance. Vitamin D, for instance, is one of the most significant nutrients when it comes to muscular and skeletal health. It is essential for maintaining strong bones and muscles. It goes far beyond its reputation for supporting bone density. This vitamin plays a direct role in muscle contraction because it helps regulate calcium, which is vital for bone health as well, which is crucial for muscle fibers to contract and relax properly. Without adequate vitamin D, calcium cannot be absorbed effectively, leading to potential weakness in both the skeletal and muscular systems. People with low levels of vitamin D often experience fatigue, muscle weakness, and even chronic leg pain, symptoms that are frequently misdiagnosed or ignored. In older adults, vitamin D deficiency has been linked to impaired muscle function, which increases the risk of falls and fractures. Furthermore, research has shown that individuals with higher levels of vitamin D perform better in strength tests and are able to maintain greater balance and coordination. Sunlight is the primary natural source of this vitamin, yet due to lifestyle changes and climate limitations, deficiency is widespread, even in sunny regions. Supplementation, therefore, becomes not just beneficial but necessary in many cases. Another vital player in the domain of leg strength is vitamin B12. This vitamin supports the nervous system, which is essential for muscle coordination and control. Every time you lift your leg, whether for a high-intensity sprint or a simple step onto a curb, a complex network of nerves must communicate effectively with your muscles. Vitamin B12 helps produce myelin, the protective sheath that covers nerves, allowing for efficient signal transmission between the brain and the muscles. When B12 levels are low, nerve communication slows, resulting in muscle fatigue, weakness, or even tingling and numbness in the legs and feet. Athletes and older adults are particularly susceptible to B12 deficiencies, the former due to high metabolic demands, and the latter due to reduced absorption capabilities that come with age. Beyond nervous system health, vitamin B12 also plays a role in red blood cell production. These cells carry oxygen to the muscles, and without enough oxygen, muscles tire quickly and recover slowly. The more efficiently your body can deliver oxygen to your leg muscles, the better your endurance, stamina, and overall leg strength will be. Closely related to vitamin B12 is folate, also known as vitamin B9. While it's most often associated with prenatal health, folate is essential for everyone, particularly when it comes to building and maintaining muscle. It works synergistically with B12 to produce and maintain new cells, including muscle cells. Folate is also deeply involved in amino acid metabolism, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. You see, when you engage in strength training or even regular walking and running, microscopic tears occur in your muscle fibers. These tears need to be repaired for the muscle to grow stronger, and folate facilitates the repair process. Inadequate levels of folate can result in impaired recovery and slow muscle development. Additionally, folate helps in the production of DNA and RNA, the building blocks of cells, which underscores its role in tissue repair and muscle fiber development. People often don't realize how much energy and biological coordination go into something as simple as standing on one leg or pushing off the ground with force. These motions rely on the constant renewal and repair of muscle tissue, and folate is essential in that cycle. Vitamin C might not be the first nutrient that comes to mind when thinking about leg strength, but its role is both significant and multifaceted. For one, it is essential for the production of collagen, a protein that gives structure to muscles, tendons, ligaments, and bones. Collagen is the connective tissue glue that binds everything together in the musculoskeletal system. Strong legs are not just about powerful quadriceps or hamstrings, they also depend on the integrity of the connective tissues that support and stabilize those muscles. Vitamin C also acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals produced during intense physical activity. Free radicals, if left unchecked, can damage muscle cells, slow recovery, and promote inflammation. This antioxidant effect is critical in protecting leg muscles from oxidative stress, which can otherwise lead to soreness and prolonged recovery times. Moreover, vitamin C enhances the absorption of iron, a mineral required for the production of hemoglobin in red blood cells. Without adequate iron, oxygen transport is compromised, leading to fatigue and reduced muscle function. Therefore, vitamin C not only protects the structural components of the leg muscles, but also ensures they are well supplied with oxygen and capable of effective recovery after exertion. Another key vitamin that is often overlooked but deeply important for leg strength is vitamin E. Like vitamin C, it functions primarily as an antioxidant, but its protective effects extend even further into muscle health. Vitamin E shields the cell membranes of muscle fibers from damage caused by oxidative stress, especially after exercise. This protection allows for faster recovery, less soreness, and a reduced risk of muscle injury. Vitamin E supports blood circulation by preventing clot formation and promoting healthy vessel dilation. Good circulation is vital for leg strength and muscle repair. Poor blood flow affects muscle performance. Vitamin E benefits those with peripheral artery disease or sedentary lifestyles. It may also reduce muscle cramps. Cramps often result from poor circulation or nerve dysfunction. Vitamin E is essential for muscle integrity and vascular health. Finally, vitamin K completes this powerful lineup of leg-strengthening nutrients. Most well known for its role in blood clotting, vitamin K is also essential for bone health and, by extension, muscular strength. The legs bear the brunt of the body's weight and are subjected to tremendous stress during movement, especially during activities like running, jumping, or weightlifting. Strong bones provide a stable framework for muscle attachment and movement, and vitamin K ensures that calcium is directed to the bones rather than accumulating in arteries or soft tissues. It works in conjunction with vitamin D to regulate calcium balance and bone mineralization. A deficiency in vitamin K can lead to decreased bone density and a higher risk of fractures, particularly in weight-bearing bones like the femur and tibia. Furthermore, vitamin K plays a role in preventing calcification of blood vessels, ensuring smooth circulation to the legs. Strong bones and healthy circulation are both critical for leg strength. and vitamin K supports both systems with quiet efficiency. It's often found in green leafy vegetables and fermented foods, but, like many other vitamins, it's easy to miss in a typical Western diet. Incorporating these vitamins into your daily nutritional plan can make a significant difference in leg strength and overall lower body functionality. It's not about quick fixes or miracle supplements. It's about providing your body with the essential tools it needs to function at its peak. Whether you are an athlete aiming for performance, an older adult looking to maintain mobility, or simply someone trying to feel stronger and more energetic, ensuring adequate intake of these 6 vitamins can change the way your legs feel and perform. While each vitamin plays its own distinct role, they all intersect in important ways, supporting bone density, muscle repair, nerve function, circulation, and cellular energy. It's this intricate interplay that makes them so powerful together. To truly harness the benefits of these vitamins, consider your entire lifestyle. Regular exercise stimulates muscle growth, but it's nutrition that provides the raw materials for that growth. Sleep allows the body to repair itself, but vitamins like folate, B12, and D are needed to make that repair effective. Staying hydrated, avoiding processed foods, and incorporating more whole foods, particularly vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, will naturally boost your intake of these key vitamins. Where dietary gaps exist, supplements can play a helpful role, especially when tailored to individual needs based on blood work and health status. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help determine which vitamins may be deficient in your body and how best to correct them through food, supplements, or both. In the end, leg strength is more than a fitness goal. It's a cornerstone of independence, vitality, and quality of life. Whether it's walking up a flight of stairs, carrying groceries, or dancing without hesitation, strong legs empower you to move freely and live fully. And while exercise builds muscle, vitamins build the foundation. Think of each step you take, each stride you push through as a testament to the hidden support structure of nutrients working behind the scenes. These 6 vitamins, D, B12, folate, C, E, and K, don't just add power to your legs, they ensure that power is sustainable, safe, and deeply rooted in optimal health.